3,196 dog bite cases in just 1 month in Delhi. A stray dog blocks a Lamborghini in Mumbai. Social media continues to laugh, but for parents and pedestrians, it's not funny, it's scary and it's fearful. Now, last week, the Supreme Court had hit hard, telling a Noida dog lover, why don't you feed them all in your house? Are stray dogs protected? Can dog lovers actually feed them? And what about the right to live safely for the rest of the humans who are not compassionate about animals? Stray dogs are legally protected under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. They cannot be relocated, harmed or killed arbitrarily. Courts have even said that they have a right to live on the streets, just like all of us. Dog feeders also protected. High courts have said that you can feed stray dogs, but do it responsibly. RWAs must earmark the safe feeding zones. So it's not either or situation here. It's about coexistence, but with a lot of caution. Now let's also talk about the human's rights as a citizen. Article 21 of the Constitution also gives you the right to life, dignity with utmost safety. The law supports equally both the animal welfare and human safety. Local bodies are legally bound to carry out sterilization and vaccination under the ABC rules of 2023. Now, if they don't, this crisis only continues to grow. Now, joining me live is the legal advisor of PETA India, Meet. When the Supreme Court says feed stray dogs in your houses, is this a wake-up call or a threat to the compassion? What's your legal reading of this entire situation?
This has been blown out of proportion. That is one. I say so because this is a mere oral observation or an oral statement made by the Supreme Court. This is nowhere found in the judgment passed on that particular day. In fact, the same court, a division bench of the same court, has passed an order staying the observation of the Nagpur bench of the Bombay High Court, which said that feeders must feed dogs in their house or else they would be fined for feeding dogs in public places. So the Supreme Court has already taken a stand on this issue, and I think what came from the bench was perhaps a sentiment because of recent incidents which we all empathize with, and that is something that needs to be addressed. And in terms of the animal birth control, feeders have a very, very important role to play because they humanize dogs. They make dogs friendly so that they can be caught for sterilization, for their annual vaccinations, and that makes the job of the municipal corporations much easier because dogs are friendly. It becomes easy to catch them.
If the Netherlands can go stray dog free without harming animals, why can't India?